Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to use the spotlight effect on mouse cursor in Camtasia. But before we getting started, you need to record the screen using Camtasia recorder. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to use this effect. So let's get started. Now you can see, take on the right side of your Camtasia screen, right? So these are the features of Camtasia, editing features. Now you can see cursor effects. Click on that cursor effects. Now you can see spotlight. So there are also other effects. Just you need to select the spotlight and click and drag the effect to your recorded video. Right now you can see that spotlight effect is successfully added here. Okay, and you can see if take a look right side of your Camtasia, you can see you can increase the size of your mouse cursor. Okay, which is highlight spotlight. Okay, now you can also increase the softness if you want, and you can see the saturation as well, and you can also set the opacity if you want, and you can add or mess around with all these settings. Like if you want to blur the background a little bit, you can also do that, right? And you can increase and decrease the size of your spotlight in mouse cursor. So let's just try to see how it's look like. Okay, so it's look like that, right? So yep, in this way you'll be able to add spotlight effect in your mouse cursor in Camtasia.